Luigi, give me the bird.
What? I'm not giving you the bird. Besides, we're not allowed to do that. What? Owie! Hey, what was that for? Well, he did ask for the bird, right?
You know something, honey? I'm so sad right now. I made such delicious cranberry orange zesty muffins. And I made some more and some of it fell on the floor. And I was gonna have some. But they were so good. I can't believe all it went down their waste. And you're talking about bed bugs.
Yeah, the bed bugs eat the muffins.
Shut up, Travey.